Hello, I'm going to show you how HMRC registered tax agents can file MTD quarterly submissions for landlord clients from our software using the 123 Sheets bookkeeping spreadsheet. Upon opening the spreadsheet for the first time, you should go to the Settings tab and choose the various options that best suit your needs. These options will make the spreadsheet more simple or more complex, depending on what is chosen. In this example, we have added some complexity and have chosen the options of not VAT registered, there are multiple beneficial owners on varying percentages of properties, we want to show per property analysis, we want to be able to enter data from letting agent statements. To start adding income details, click on the Rent button and fill in rows according to the column descriptions. Most of the data can be freely typed in, but you can also paste bank transactions you or your client might have downloaded from their online banking website. The process is the same for the Expenses and Other Entries tabs. You can also add data from letting agent statements. To get an overview of the total income and expense categories, click on the Income and Expense Report button. From here, you can change the date range and view totals for different beneficial owners and properties for any part of the tax year. To view a ledger of all transactions by beneficial owner and/or by property, we can use the Ledger Report. When you're ready to make quarterly submissions, click the Income Tax File button in the Reporting category. You can click on the Detailed Report next to see the detailed transactions included in a quarterly submission. Then, when you are happy with that, you can create a PDF ready for submission to HMRC. Clicking the HMRC File button will generate a PDF to upload to our website the quarterly summary data HMRC is looking for. After clicking OK, the file will be generated and will open automatically for you to review. This will be saved as a PDF file that you will upload to our website. From here, go back to our website, log in, and go to the relevant client. In this filing example, we'll show you how to make an amended quarterly submission. So, click on the History tab and click Amend to file the resubmission. Since I used the 123 Sheets bookkeeping spreadsheet to create the file to be submitted, I need to select 123 Sheets PDF. Upload the file by dragging and dropping, clicking File and then Show Figures, or click Choose File, find the PDF in the pop-up and upload it. The uploaded figures will be shown. Check the date is correct, tick the confirmation box and click File. You will get a pop-up notifying you of HMRC's acceptance of the return. Thank you for watching and feel free to try out our demo and set up an account.